Yo, what's up everybody? So I wanted to give you a quick heads up on what's happening right now. I just released the double pattern pack, the Kamen Rider double pattern pack over on my Patreon. So if you're a $5 supporter, you can get everything for a Kamen Rider double cosplay, everything you should need in order to get going on it. All the more intricate stuff is patterned out, all the stuff that you should be able to learn and manage yourself has been given in a tutorial, so you can sit there, read it, and try to figure it out. If you ever have questions, you can always hit me up on Twitter at The Next Decade, or on Instagram, or over on Facebook at The Next Decade Props and Costumes. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's looking great. Yeah, go download that now. I think I'm getting sick. I stayed up really late working on this. $10 pack goodie people. That's coming out on June 12th. It's taking me a little bit longer, but I'm trying to make sure that it can be scaled easily so everybody can make them to where they can either be usable as an actual thing or as just a prop, and it's gonna be cool. Okay, bye. I feel gross. I sneezed on camera.